Hey there, garden dreamers. Have you ever stood in your backyard, shovel in hand, completely overwhelmed by the endless options of fruit trees you could plant? Apple trees that might get finicky diseases? Citrus that freezes if you look at it wrong? Peaches that attract every pest in a 5-mile radius? What if I told you there's a fruit tree superhero hiding in plain sight? A tree that practically begs to produce buckets of delicious fruit while requiring almost zero effort from you. Today I'm revealing my #1 gardening discovery after years of trial and error with dozens of fruit trees. The answer might surprise you, or maybe not, if you've been paying close attention. This tree is a low-maintenance marvel, bursting with sweet fruit and asking for almost nothing in return. It's perfect for gardeners who want big rewards without the usual hassle. Before I share this little secret with you, let me take you on my fruit tree journey. I've tried everything: starfruit, jaboticaba, mangoes, apples, pears, peaches, plums, you name it, I've killed it. I mean, grown it. But time after time, one tree consistently outperforms the rest, producing massive harvests with minimal effort. If you guessed the humble mulberry tree, you're right. You know, life's too short for difficult fruit trees. So go mulberry or go home. Now I know what you're thinking. Aren't those the trees that stain everything purple and make a huge mess? Yes and no. Let me introduce you to the mulberry family. First we have black mulberries. Rich, juicy, and honestly they'll turn your fingers purple for days. But the flavor, worth every stain. White mulberries taste like honey, and get this, they don't stain at all. So they're perfect for patios or pathways where you really don't want purple footprints. Pink mulberries sit right in the middle, less messy than blacks with a perfectly balanced sweet tart flavor. And don't forget our native red mulberry, which, despite its name, actually produces black fruit. Here's where mulberries absolutely crush the competition. While I was battling birds for 3 pathetic strawberries, adjusting soil pH for fussy blueberries, and getting scratched to pieces by blackberry thorns, my little 2-foot mulberry sapling was, plotting world domination. Within 2 years, that little sapling grew taller than me and produced 6 gallons of delicious berries. 6 gallons. Do you know how much that would cost at the store? Probably hundreds of dollars for these organic berries, assuming you could even find mulberries for sale. And speaking of organic, mulberries practically grow themselves. No sprays, no chemicals, no complicated care routines. Just plant and enjoy. Now let's talk varieties for different spaces, because mulberries come in all shapes and sizes. For small gardens or even containers, look for dwarf everbearing or Girardi dwarf. They stay under 6 feet tall and still produce loads of fruit. For standard yards, Illinois everbearing gives you months of production rather than a single harvest. If you're worried about mess, Esai or T's weeping white mulberries give you those honey-sweet berries without stained sidewalks. And if you have the space for a statement tree, Black Beauty or Pakistan varieties have berries up to 3 inches long. They're basically nature's popsicles. Let's address another incredible advantage. Mulberries are self-fertile. That means one tree is all you need. The females produce fruit even without males around. And get this, those fruits are seedless. Nature's convenience food. What do they taste like? Imagine blackberries without seeds or tartness. They're incredibly sweet, with white varieties having that distinctive honey flavor I keep raving about. Fresh, in jams, baked in cobblers, or blended into smoothies. They're versatile kitchen superstars. But the best part? Maintenance is basically non-existent. I have over 24 mulberry trees scattered throughout my yard, and they require almost no attention. If they get too big, just prune them back. They're nearly indestructible. No complicated rituals, no strict attention to detail. And one more thing, birds love mulberries, which actually works in your favor. They'll feast on mulberries and leave your other fruits alone. It's nature's decoy system. After years of fruit tree heartbreak and disappointment, mulberry trees have proven themselves time and again as the most reliable, productive, and low-maintenance fruit trees you can possibly grow. They're durable, fast-growing, generous, and absolutely delicious. They thrive with minimal care and provide an abundance of fruit to share with family, friends, and yes, even the birds. So if you've been standing in your yard, paralyzed by indecision about which fruit tree to plant, your search is over. The mulberry tree is truly the perfect fruit tree for any garden. Plant a mulberry tree this season. 5 years from now, you'll be standing under its shade, mouth purple from berries, wondering why everyone doesn't have one of these miracle trees. Drop a comment below if you have mulberry trees or questions about growing them.